Hi, so today we're going to talk about the breakout stocks. And as the mid cap stocks made new all time highs, we had several stocks which broke out to new all time highs. So, in this session, the idea is to pick out stocks which have broken to new highs and which we can probably look at investing. So, I'll just draw some lines here to help you understand. This is the major resistance line. Now, if we just zoom in here, what you will notice is a classic consolidation pattern here. So, we can just say that this is a consolidation pattern. Let me draw a triangle here, a rectangle here. Now this looks like, you see here, this was a consolidation pattern, which basically means that the market has not been going anywhere. It is just moving sideways. This is classic of what happens when we have, bulls and bears, which who are both not very clear as to what direction the market is going to move. So there are really no buyers or sellers in the market, and the market just moves sideways without any direction. What we notice here is that there's a clear breakout, and the market and the stock has closed at its all-time highs. Now this what this is basically telling you is that the bulls are in control, and that market participants generally feel that the stock is very, very bullish. So the idea is that if you are getting the stock, investing in this stock, I think at all-time highs this is a great buy, and also you can put your stop loss below 557. So that is for this particular stock. Now let's move on to the next one. Stock now that we have is Cosmo Films, and what you can see in Cosmo Films right now is that the stock has been consolidating. So let me just draw some lines so that you get a better idea of what is happening. And if I were to now look at drawing another line, so as you see here, the prices are basically getting coiled up. In other words, there are a series of lower highs and lower lows, or high lows. So what you have basically, what you're saying is the market is sort of coiling up. It really, compared to what is happening here, where you're seeing a clear-cut rally, here the market is doing what we call consolidation. You must have heard this term a lot of times. What it is telling you basically is that the same principle, that after a bit of a rally, the market participants are sort of taking a breather and analyzing as to, whether they want to be buying the stock any further, or they want to be, selling it. So there is no clear cut direction, and the market just moves sideways. You will notice that whenever that is happening, you get smaller volumes. So the volumes tend to go down in a consolidation pattern. And here what we notice is that very high volumes, and we see a clear cut breakout to all time highs. Now anytime you get a breakout after a consolidation pattern, it generally signals the beginning of a new bull market. So for this particular stock, Cosmo Films, I think we are going to get a lot more rally coming in over the next few sessions. Technically this is called a symmetrical triangle breakout, and the stop loss here should be below the lows, that is at 1260, and the target is the depth of the pattern, which here will be from 1488 and 1123. So that's roughly about 350 points. So if you add that 350 points from 1383, so that's about 1700 odd is what you're looking at. So from a risk reward perspective, it is you're looking at entering at 1563, and your stop is about 300 points lower. So you're looking at 1:1. But still, the fact is that that is the minimum target that you expect. It could well be that the stock continues to go higher, and you could probably be entering into a trend which will continue for a lot longer. So from that perspective, Cosmo Films looks like a pretty good stock.